When you first visit your dashboard, you will see several design templates along the top. Below this is where your own designs will be displayed. In the left-hand column, you'll see a number of options which we'll go through now. The first option you'll see is to do with your profile. Click the drop-down and select from Account Settings or Personal Profile. Let's start with Account Settings. Here you'll find your account information, your email address, password and language, which you can edit. And if you choose to, this is where you can delete your account. If you have any questions, you'll notice over to the right there's a Questions tab, and you can click on that to contact customer support at any time. The second tab, Billing and Teams, is where you can add your credit card information if you wish to purchase high quality images for your designs. You can add a company name, address, as well as invoices. And you can also create your own team. To create a team, you get 30 days free, after which you'll be charged $9.95 per month, or you can choose to pay this annually. The next option in the left-hand column below Create Design is all of your designs, so let's click on that. As you'll see at the moment, there are no designs created, so the area below the templates at the top is where you will see any designs that you've created, and they will be displayed here. You can also click on them and go back to editing them at any stage. Next, you'll see Shared With You. In this area, you'll see any designs that other people have shared with you, or designs that you may have worked together with someone on. You can leave likes or comments, and you can also invite other people to work with you. Next, you'll see Create a Team. If you work with other people and would like to create designs for your business or your brand, this is where you can create your own team by simply adding their email address and sending them an invitation. If you would like more than 10 team members, then you need to upgrade to Canva for Work. This will allow you to make full use of your branding kit, upload your custom fonts, have unlimited team members, unlimited design folders, photo folders for images, magically resize your images, and a lot more. But you can start by getting 30 days free. Below Create a Team, you'll see your brand. This is where you can add your default settings and add things such as your logo or your brand colors that you would like to be used on all of your designs. Below your brand, you can see Add a New Folder. So similar to email, you may choose to add a new folder and name that within a certain keyword so that you know that's where all of the designs related to that keyword will be stored. Trash is obviously to delete any designs. And in the lower part of the column, you'll see options to learn to design or get design inspiration. These are great ways to look at what other people on Canva are designing, and these will really help you. Canva also provides a lot of information that will help you to do with choosing colors, fonts, images, layouts, and much more. If we go back to the top part of the page where I mentioned you have several different design templates, you'll also see in the top right hand corner, Use Custom Dimensions. So if you have a design and you know the dimensions that you wish to use, you can simply click on this, and this will open up boxes where you can put in the width and the height, and you can also choose in different settings, so such as pixels, millimeters or inches. So just enter the width and the height, select which measurement you wish to use, and then click Design. You'll also see a square over to the right that says More. If you click on this, you'll see a lot more design templates that you can use. Now, we have these categorized into popular design types, social media posts, documents, blogging and ebooks, marketing materials, social media and email headers, events, and ads. And I'll cover each of these in more detail throughout the course.